Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Capricorn Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 9 till the 15th of March 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay. Capricorn, the person that you are, okay, your person or your partner's current feelings for you. I'm super disconnected today from the readings, so please bear with me. Don't worry, the readings are going to be the same as it used to be. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Cappies. A lot of cards. The Hermit. So this is someone who feels like right now they are feeling withdrawn from the situation, or they are feeling like detaching from the situation is the right idea, right kind of energy. They feel like they should think about the situation in silence. Okay, they should think about the situation from a mature angle. Let's clarify the Hermit as their feelings for you. We have the Star card, the Six of Wands, and the Nine of Pentacles. Yep, this person is feeling like with time everything is going to be fine. They are feeling like remaining very positive, open, and optimistic to the idea of connecting or reconnecting connecting with you at some point of time. But right now they feel like they should focus on themselves, their money, job, career, success, their finances, their individuality, their happiness. So this is someone who feels like right now they should focus on themselves, and whenever or whatever is supposed to happen between you guys, it will happen eventually. Hmm? Not immediately, but eventually. This is what this person is feeling. So right now they feel like they should take a step back and detach and focus on themselves, because this is the right kind of thing to do. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Cappies. Ten of Pentacles. From your side, you feel like creating some kind of stable base for your future, whether it's regarding relationship or it's regarding finances. You guys are feeling like you should focus on something long term. Okay, let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles usually represents stability, and that involves family members and family kind of dynamics too. We have the Ten of Wands and the King of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords, right? So you feel like this situation between you and this particular person is weighing you down again and again and again. And whenever you connect with this person, whenever you try to connect with this energy, it destabilizes your energies somehow, and you feel like you are trapped in a mental jail or something. I don't know you guys are together or not, or I don't know you guys are at a distance or not, but but you are definitely feeling like whenever you think about this situation between you and this particular person, it definitely makes you feel like as if you are in a jail, as if no matter how hard you are trying to get out of your head and do something good about it, you are not able to do that. That's why you feel like connecting with your family members, connecting with people who are like family to you, or involving yourself in business or business kind of deals. But you are definitely feeling like creating a stable base for your future, whether it's emotional or otherwise financial. Okay, so quite complicated situation. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Cappies? Five of Cups. Their intention here is to get out of this internal struggle that they're having regarding this situation, the guilt, the regret, and or the pain that they're experiencing in this situation. Okay, something is still bothering them. Something hurted them. They got hurt, and now they just want space and time to get out of that hurt. Okay, let's clarify the Five of Cups as their intentions. We have the Four of Wands, the Hierophant, and the Three of Pentacles. See, This person wants to have a long term commitment kind of relationship with you. This person maybe wants to get married to you. Four of Wands and Hierophant together indicates a strong desire, indicates a strong desire to get married or get settled. This person does want this, but maybe there is something that's stopping them, something or someone. Maybe they are already married or committed to somebody else. Maybe they are having third party energies. Third party can be distance, it can be money, it can be status, it can be religious belief system, it can be spiritual energies, it can be anything. So, whatever this third party energy is, this person wants to deal with that energy and they want to come forward towards you with happiness. You know, they want to remove these burdensome and heavy and painful energies out of the situation so that they can come towards you fully and connect with you with full attention, with full investment. Just give me a second. Okay, so this person wants to come towards you without any kind of regret or guilt and or without any kind of obstacles or challenges that might create some kind of third party energies. Okay, let's see what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies. Ace of Wands. You want a brand new beginning, maybe with a brand new person, with a brand new energy. I don't think so you want this particular person or energy back in your life. Or even if you want them to be in a totally changed kind of energy. Don't want the same version again in this lifetime of this particular person. Yep. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as your intentions for this particular person or situation. We have the Three of Cups and the Ten of Swords, the Devil. See, Capricorn. You don't want this collaboration or partnership anymore. Not at all the way it used to be till this point of time. You want this connection, this bond at your own terms and conditions, and or you want totally different person, a totally new person, a totally new energy. You just want to follow your passion. Passion, Ace of Wands. Now the passion can be another person, another energy, a new one, or it can simply be money for you, job or career or finances for you, because earth sign people, they are obsessed with luxurious things and money and career. I myself is a Taurus, so I can understand. So it's like either you want a past person with a totally brand new energy, totally changed energy, or you want to follow your passion towards a new person or a new situation, or something totally brand new, something or someone. Let's see what could be the possible outcome, potential outcome for you guys till the 15th of March 2026. Four of Wands. This is coming a lot today. I got the same outcome, I guess, for Sagittarius as well. Let's clarify the Four of Wands here as a potential outcome, honey. So we have the Ace of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, and the Ace of Wands. Yeah, brand new person, brand new energy, a brand new love life, Capricorn. Brand new chapter. Maybe you guys are getting, connected to a person via some kind of family members or mutual family members, or maybe you are going to get settled very soon with the choice of your family. So you wanted okay, that's why you don't want the past person, past energy, because you already have a new person, new energy around you, maybe in the talks, maybe not physically, but you are about to have a brand new person, brand new energy entering in your life that have a very strong potential of marriage, commitment, or long-term partnership, whether they are here right now physically or not, but you know that they are around you energetically, you can sense it. For most of you, it could be like arranged marriage kind of a proposal, or somebody that you are going to connect with on a family kind of get together, or some mutual friends or mutual family members are going to make you connect with this person or something like that. Okay, so that chapter is over for you. Okay, cool. Let's see the guidance here. Cappies. We have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Five of Wands. Stop fighting with yourself, you know. You are trying to look fine from outside, and from inside you are disappointed, and there's a lot of chaos and conflict going on. Continuously fighting with yourself, continuously fighting with your thoughts, continuously fighting with what if this will happen, what if that will happen, what if I will not be able to connect with the right person this time again, also what if I am going to mess this up, what if they are going to mess this up. So you have a lots of ifs and buts and conflicts and chaotic kind of energies going on inside your head when it comes to your love and relationship area, right? So instead of focusing on the negatives, focus on the positives. Now you know that you want something brand new, and the universe is going to present you with brand new energies. Now if you are going to mess this up or fuck this up, it's totally up to you. Or if you are going to handle it with love and care and compassion, with the happiness, with this energy of, okay, whatever happened in the past, I learned my lessons, I'm never going to repeat the same kind of mistakes again, I'm never going to do the same kind of shit again. So make sure you are not going to do what you did wrong till this point of time, and you can definitely enjoy the new chapter, new energies, new connection, new bond. Instead of focusing on the negatives, focus on the positives that you have learned till this point of your life. Now you have become a different version of yourself. Now you have the capacity to attract the right kind of energy in your life. Only if you think so. If you're going to think like, no, I'm going to fuck this up again, I'm going to mess this up again, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, guess what you are going to attract then? The ball is in your court. Actually, everybody's ball is in their court. What they think almost all the time becomes their reality. What they think, what they feel, sorry, not think, what they feel from inside, feelings, emotions for themselves all the time becomes their reality. All of us, right? So, up to you now. Okay. So let me see, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Let's see. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. It's a clear cut yes, so I don't have to explain. Thank you for giving me a yes. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.